You're in a quiet meeting and your stomach decides to scream at the top of its lungs. Why?
It's called Borborygmi, and contrary to popular belief, your stomach isn't actually talking to you because it's empty. It's actually a housekeeping wave. Your gut muscles are squeezing leftover food, liquid, and air through your system. Think of your stomach like a resonant chamber. When it's empty, those air bubbles echo against the walls, making that loud, embarrassing rumble. If you're hungry, your brain sends a signal to start the engine early, hoping to clear space for a new meal. So the next time you growl in public, just tell them your housekeeping is in progress. Subscribe for more body facts.